Well, hello, everyone. This is Amber Town Geehan, your terrific Tuesday $1 Million Messenger, calling you from the greater Phoenix area. And today I wanted to talk to you about generating leads. And to be honest, I'm going to say this because I'll probably say it till the end of time. Start on your phone. And if you do not think you have contacts, then hand your phone over to somebody you trust. And I say this because I guarantee between your phone, your Facebook contacts, and your emails, you have a minimum of probably between 500 to 1,000 people you have not facialed. So don't go spending all this time and all this money if you haven't started there. That is the first place I always say. Start with those familiar, warm contacts and then branch out and think, okay, I can start adding some stuff in. Not that you need to, because 500 to 1,000 is plenty to start your momentum going. When I started Mary Kay, I had 2 people on my contact list because my friends and family were all taken by all of my other friends and family that was in Mary Kay. So I had to start from those 2 people. But from those 2 people, one booked a party, one booked a facial. The person that booked a party, I told Erin, I said, could you help me book parties from this party because I don't have a lot of contacts. We booked 2 parties from that party, and I stopped counting the reproduction of that party 47 parties later because I did not want to count it anymore. So I became a master of getting bookings from my bookings, referrals from my bookings, but knowing that the sales will always happen, but I had to try for the bookings. And so if you have not mastered that art, that would be something I would add into your repertoire of things you're working on. But when I moved to locations where I did not know one single person, so Kansas City, we moved there 9 years ago. I did not know one single person. And then a little over 4 years ago now, we moved to North Phoenix. Did not know one single person. And it was right before the month before COVID started. So we have all kinds of things. So I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorites ways I generated leads moving into a brand new area, not knowing anyone, and before virtual was available. So again, start in your phone and start on your social media contacts before you go anywhere because those are warm leads. But the first one is I did facial boxes. Facial boxes are super simple. I'm not going to get into the details of how I put mine together. Was it a fishbowl? Was it a facial box? Was it from Mary Kay? I did not use Mary Kay ones. I did create them. And I worked 4 different areas, and I worked them on Wednesdays. I would flip the boxes on Wednesdays, so every month I would flip the box, meaning I would take a new one in, I'd bring a new one out, or bring the old one out, get the leads right where they were from, and go from there. So where did I have facial boxes placed? I had them placed in donut shops, coffee shops, nail shops, tanning parlors, soda shops, dry cleaners, any kind of restaurant, oil change, lube shops, anything, literally anything that had people in there, I would put my box in there. I had over 70 facial boxes out in Kansas City when I moved. So 4 different areas, 4 different towns. I rotated them on Wednesdays. That's one. The other one I did that I really enjoyed because I could schedule it was I scheduled Working Women's Appreciation. Now, scheduling it meant that I asked a friend of, a parent of one of Cooper's, friends or one of the kids' friends, hey, who's your dentist? Do you like them? Do you think the women are there are nice? Would you mind if I used your name to honor them? And I would call the dental office, and I wanted to get into places of professional women that said no soliciting. And so I didn't want to just walk around aimlessly and try to pick up, the people that are at the front table or of the front desk of the place. I wanted everybody. So I would call and I would say, hi, dental office, whatever, this is Amber. I just wanted to let you know that Laura Stewart honored you guys as Working Women's Appreciation this month. And so I have some goodies I want to bring into you and some treats. So I just wanted to know, when is the best time to come in where you have the least amount of patients? And usually it's going to be lunchtime. And what day is it that you have most people in office? And so I'd bring a little sample pack, a little cookie from a local cookie place, and I just brought them in a box. And then I would let them enter to win a Mary Kay product basket plus a free facial. And at the bottom of that entry form was for them to nominate another office for working women. So I literally got leads, but also leads to go to another office another day. So I just would walk in, get 10, 15 leads, and walk out. And so you could schedule multiple of those a day if they're in the same area. So that was one I liked. And then the other one I liked because I did not have a team in Kansas City when I moved there. I didn't want to sit at a booth or at a festival or something like that, and because it's kind of getting to that festival season. I personally just had a bucket. I went on Amazon and got glow bracelets, and I would walk around, and I had little entry forms in the middle with in the middle of the glow bracelets. I think I had like 900 bracelets. You can get them on Amazon, like 3 packs of them. And I had pins and entry forms in the middle. And I'd walk up to the moms and I would say, hey, did your kids get their glow bracelet yet? And of course, I don't look threatening, and I can get those glow bracelets out. And so I would hand them to the kids, and then I'd ask them if they would like to enter to win the Mary Kay Pamper basket plus a free facial. And then I would gain leads by giving their kids glow bracelets, and they would enter to win the free facial. And I literally just walked around festivals. But those are my 3 ideas today for generating leads in an area where you don't know anyone. But remember, we start in our phone and our warm contacts. So either way, I hope this is a blessing for you today. This is Geehan, your terrific Tuesday $1 Million Messenger signing off. Have an amazing Tuesday.